Bill Cushenbery ranked among America's elite car customizers in the late 1950s and early 1960s. His shop built pieces for Steve McQueen and Frank Sinatra, and he co-created the original Batmobile with George Barris. One of his own projects, though, he never finished: the Space Coupe. Designer Jim Roten drew the car for Cushenbery in the early 1960s. Work began in 1963 at Cushenbery's Monterey, California shop, an all-aluminum body over Corvair mechanicals mounted on a chassis of 2x4-inch rectangular tubing. In 1964, Cushenbery moved to North Hollywood after a dispute with his financiers, taking the car's parts with him to finish later. Popular Custom introduced the project publicly in January 1966. Cushenbery called it the Scorpion in that article, though he doubted the name would stick given its unflattering connotations. Revell had even scheduled a model kit. Then it vanished, possibly seized by the backers, though this was never confirmed. It surfaced briefly in other shops through the late 1960s before disappearing entirely. Cushenbery searched for it the rest of his life, dying in 1998 without an answer. In April 1999, customizer Carl Green found the remains discarded in weeds on a property in El Cajon, California. Some accounts place it at Fantasy Car Ranch near San Diego, just as the owner prepared to have it scrapped. Green patched it up and shipped it to Darryl Starbird's Rod and Custom Hall of Fame Museum in Oklahoma, where it sat 8 years for lack of restoration funds. The car returned to Southern California in 2007. In 2008, Barry Gramillion, a friend of Green's and a film and TV location manager, financed a full restoration, documenting it as the Cushenbery Project. New Zealand metalworker Willie Newman rebuilt the body and chassis. Jeff Williams of California Corvairs restored the engine and drivetrain. That December, Green and Newman left for what was meant to be a 2-week holiday, Green to Kansas, Newman to New Zealand, with completion set for spring 2009. Neither returned to the project. It sat with Green's nephew, Roger Green, in a Nebraska shed until Green died in 2015. The Space Coupe came back to Southern California in June 2016 under Gramillion's oversight, then moved to Nelson Velz's Outlaw Garage in Santa Clarita Valley in July 2017. Porsche specialist John Esposito later joined the effort, turning restoration into reconstruction. Gramillion tracked down Jim Roten himself and studied photographs from 1963 and 1966 to guide the work. More than 60 years after Cushenbery first sketched it, the Space Coupe now runs, its rebuilt air-cooled Corvair engine turning over, its unconventional doors opening for the first time on public roads.